Listen up, beautiful souls. Your specific person is already yours. The only thing standing in the way? Your energy. The moment you stop chasing and start embodying your true power, the game completely changes. They'll crave you. They'll feel you. They'll be drawn to you like a magnet. Okay? So if you're ready to flip the script and have them chase you, then keep watching because this is where the magic happens. Let's dive in. First things first, recognizing that you are the prize. Stop making your SP the main character of your movie. You're the main character. It's you, okay? The moment you start embodying this energy, the 3D world just has to mirror it. You are the catch. You are the prize. You are the main character. You are the it girl, okay? Remember that. Embody that energy. Think about it. When you desperately crave someone, it signals to the universe that you're in lack. But when you start feeling like the most magnetic, the most radiant, the most high value version of yourself, your specific person can't help but just be drawn to you, automatically drawn to you, instinctively drawn to you. So ask yourself, if I knew the most amazing person, the most incredible person that my SP could ever be with, how would this person think? How would this person feel? How would this person act? And start embodying that version of yourself. Next, shift your self-concept. Your specific person is a direct reflection of you, okay? If you keep thinking, I'm not chosen, they're pulling away, they're listening to third party, that's exactly what will keep playing out in your reality, okay? In your 3D. Instead, affirm, I am chosen. I am loved. I am truly loved. I am the most amazing, the most incredible person that my SP could ever be with. They fantasize about me. Say it, feel it, embody it. When you shift your self-concept, your specific person naturally responds to this new and empowered version of you. And finally, detach and trust the process. Here's the part that most people struggle with: letting go. Not letting go of your desire, but letting go of your need for it, okay? That's the silver lining. Not letting go of your desire, just letting go of your need for it. The second you stop needing them, second you stop needing your SP, you stop checking the 3D for any movement, and start living your best life, that's when they're going to start running back to you immediately and instantaneously. Because attraction isn't about force, it's about flow. And the more you relax and settle into your power, the more your SP is drawn to you. Completely, immediately, and without any resistance. So here's your new mantra. I am the creator of my reality. I am the creator of my reality. I am chosen because I choose myself first. I am love. I am love. I am true love. My aura is that of love. I love myself. Your SP is just a direct reflection of you. Love yourself, prioritize yourself, and watch your 3D world shift like magic. Now, comment below with one affirmation that you are committing to today. I want to see it. And remember, like and subscribe for much more manifestation magic. Thank you for joining me, and namaste. See you on Tuesday.